this video, we're going to take a look at how to manage projects with QQW. So with QQW, customers can create new projects by ordering them in the service order form. So let's take a quick look at how the service order form looks like and what the customer sees on this page. So I'll switch over to another browser, and over here I'm logged in as a customer called Ted, and this is the page where I can go ahead and place my order. So over here I have website order details, and then I can select the website technology. Let's go with PHP. Then the number of pages, let's say 8 pages, and then the graphics e-cover that I want created. So I'll go with a bundle of 3 covers and also add a DVD cover and a video skin cover. Next we have the turnaround time and ordering, and for the turnaround time, let's say I need this done quickly, so I'm going to go with 7 days. Now as you can see, the price here increases once you play around with these options. So this is the power of QQW, because you get the quote instantly. Alright, so next what I can do is go ahead and pay directly, or I can go ahead and save quotation and then order later. So let's go ahead and say I want to save the quotation for now, and I'll do that. Alright, so quote saved successfully. So now I can go to my account, and as a customer I can see the web designing services here. So let's go ahead and click on this, and this is my saved quotation, obviously. So over here I can see all the details, and as soon as I'm ready I can go ahead and pay. So as you can see, this is a quote for a full project, and to proceed with it you can create a new invoice below. So I'm going to go ahead and click create new invoice, and it smartly generates a payment link here with PayPal, and once I go ahead and click on it, my payment goes through. Now obviously I will need to go ahead and make the payment. However, since this is a demo video, I'm not going to do that. So we're just going to go back to the other browser here, and now we're going to go ahead and just do a simple refresh of this page. So we can just click on it again and it will open, and as you can see we have the web designing service here. So over here it says the status of this project. So the status is quote, because Ted, this customer called Ted, only requested to save the quote and he did not place the order. Now possible statuses for projects are quote, paid, which is used after the customer has generated and paid an invoice. Then we have in progress, and that's if a project has been paid and started. This is a status that will let the customer know that. Then we have suspended, and you can suspend a project for any reason and also notify the customer about that. And then we have finished, which is obviously used when a project has been finished. And we also have canceled, which is used in case of a project being interrupted, and that notifies the client as well. Alright, so over here we do have this service, so we can go ahead and view the service, and we can get all the information for this saved quotation. Now let's say this customer already made the payment. So obviously I did not go ahead and make that payment, but sometimes it might happen that there's a problem with the payment, or your customer reaches out and asks to pay using a different payment method. So if that's the case, you can go ahead and select the project, and then go over here and select one of these. So you can go ahead and select mark as paid if the customer requested to pay using another payment method. So let's go ahead and click apply, and as you can see the status of the project changes right away. Now once the payment has been verified, we can also go ahead and select mark as in progress, which means that you're working on the client's project. So as you can see, the status changes here right away as well. Now if you want to delete the project, that's actually done easily, and can either hover with your mouse and then click delete, or you can select it, go to bulk actions, delete, and then click apply. And in case you did that by mistake, you're going to see this dialog box, which is going to ask you if you want to delete this project or not. So in this case, I'm going to go with cancel. Now, obviously, if you click OK, the project will be deleted. So this is how easy it is to manage projects with QQW. In the next video, we're going to take a look at how to manage invoices.